When Yamaha set out to build the PW3028, we took a hard look at the customers and the competition. We knew it had to be powerful. So we gave it a strong 192cc four-stroke motor and a CAT brand Triplex plunger pump. Quite simply, the best in the industry. With up to 3,000 pounds per square inch and 2.8 gallon per minute output, it's up to almost any pressure washing challenge. A convenient idle down feature automatically reduces engine speed, saving fuel and reducing engine and pump wear. And a big 1.5 gallon fuel tank means it's gonna run a long time. We knew it had to be versatile, so we designed an ingenious 5-in-1 nozzle that always puts the right tip at your fingertips. With a rubber molding to protect against scratches, and a low-pressure nozzle when full pressure is too much. A pivoting tip makes it a breeze to get up inside wheel wells, down onto roofs, wherever dirt likes to hide. And the secondary grip can be rotated to virtually any angle you need. We knew the PW3028 had to be dependable, with quality and durability that's second to none. So we used durable brass fittings, tough steel wheels and axles, wide non-pneumatic tires that will never go flat, a top-quality braided steel high-pressure hose that's nearly invulnerable to abrasion and burns and 30 feet long, so you can get to the job without having to reposition the unit. The PW3028 has a fold-flat handle that not only takes up less space, it can even serve as a storage surface for lightweight items in your already crammed garage or shed. And then we add in a variety of available accessories to help make it even more versatile and useful. Did we think of everything? We'd like to think so. After all, Yamaha has been in the innovation business for more than 50 years. And when you compare the Yamaha PW3028 with the other brands that are out there, you'll agree that this truly is the Yamaha of pressure washers.